Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. My name is Teacher Summer. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Yoshio Kitamura. Please call me just Yoshi.
Okay, hi Yosh-san. How are you this morning?
So far, so good, but it's become hot again.
Ooh.
It's end of the Japanese summer, but hot and humid. Yeah. How about you?
I see. Me? So far, I'm okay. So far, because last night we kind of had a little drink that ended until morning,
Hmm?
but I'm totally fine.
Sounds good.
Yes. By the way, Yosh-san, did you eat breakfast
Oh, yes, of
already?
course. And already approaching the lunchtime.
Oh, yes.
Yes,
I just noticed.
okay,
I
I
see.
eat every morning. Almost same time because I already retired person. So about 1 decade or more, I quit my office. I reached the
Oh.
retirement age. And after that, anyway I enjoy my twilight years. So
Wow, I see. I'm jealous. Of course, now you have all the time in the world. Right now,
yeah.
that's what I need.
But under the corona disaster, we can't move anywhere.
Oh.
Just stay home. And every Japanese news is very dark. So the new
Oh.
patient increase. But in Japan, we still take place Paralympic, and also
Oh,
half of the
yes.
time they broadcast outcome of the Paralympic. So
Yeah. I see. That sounds very good. Somehow, the Paralympics makes it better, right?
yes, yeah.
I see, I see. That's good to hear.
Please,
Oh, by the way,
hi,
hmm?
yes. Uh,
I was just about to ask Yosh-san,
okay, please
what
introduce
are...
yourself first. So,
Okay. Well, my name is Summer. I am 26
mhm,
years old. I am married with no children yet.
mhm,
Yes. And my hobbies are singing, reading mangas, Japanese
mhm.
mangas, watching Japanese animation, playing video games, and doing nothing. Yes, sometimes I don't do anything and it's fun. What about you?
Oh, okay.
Yosh-san?
Uh, Before I introduce myself, may I ask you a personal question too, because your face is not typical Filipino. Could you explain your
My face.
family surroundings?
Ah, I see. So let me explain to you my face. I'm joking. Okay, well, my mother is quarter Filipina.
Mhm.
So she has Spanish heritage. And my dad, he is Jordanian. So I am Jordanian, Filipino, and Spanish.
Mm, okay,
That's right. And I married a half American man.
mhm.
So next time, if we will have a child, I will tell them you are American, Filipino, Jordanian, and Spanish. Yes,
It's
so
maybe very
pretty
nice. Yeah.
international.
Okay, you are typical international person. So.
Yes. That's right. What about you?
Okay, I
Yosh-san?
was working the NTT, Japan Telephone Telegram Company, a very long time, almost 4 decades. And after finished my work, so I belong to the two volunteer groups, almost 1 decade. So one is take care of the aged people, and others teaching Japanese for foreigners. So that's
you're the
including-
opposite.
yes, that's foreigners including the many of Filipino. So and I have a lot of hobbies. So I like to read a book, and also I like to write something. So and listening music, and I used to be a computer programmer. So I'm so good at operating the personal computer. Of course, I like to. My tablet or computer, so and English is one of my hobbies. So because I like to travel abroad, so far I already go to every country almost 30 more times. So
Wow.
recently, I'm getting aged. I don't have so much opportunity to go abroad. But it's enough. And I continue the English conversation. For main reason is prevent my senile dementia.
Oh. Oh, I see. But wow, we have so many things in common aside from traveling. I've never been to anywhere.
Yeah, really.
Yes. But that's amazing. So now, with the pandemic, or after the pandemic, is there a country you would like to visit again?
Yes, recently I enjoyed domestic traveling. So there's many good hot spring place in Japan. And I visiting the nearby our hot spring visiting spot.
I see. That seems very relaxing.
Yeah, yes, very, very relaxing. Do nothing.
You know, in my city where I live, the hot springs are like 4 hours away.
Oh, really?
Very far. So if you want to relax and you will go there, you will also get tired because of the travel time. So 4 hours going, 4 hours leaving, so that's 8 hours total just to go to a hot spring.
Okay, I understand.
Yes, that's right. So we don't have the luxury as much as Japanese people wherein you can go to in every city. I think there are hot springs. Is that right?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, so we don't have that luxury here in the Philippines. What we have though are problems in every city, manholes in every city. Yes, they're always making new roads and pavements.
Okay,
That's right.
thank you.
So Yosh-san, what are your plans for today?
Every Monday, I go to the my city's big bath system facilities, so like a hot spring, but not natural one. So there is big facilities, so the big baths and sauna baths, every kind of the sauna baths, so or outside baths, and that facility have restaurants and massage parlors, or a lot of the Japanese comic book and many of the televisions or personal televisions. So anyway, we can soak a bath, and after that we just relaxing. So it's not expensive. It's so cheap. So and after retirement, I enjoy every Monday with my wife. I spend that kind of facility.
Wow, I see. So, it is your wife's idea?
It's my ideas also. So my wife likes soak, hot spring, but me is more. So just I enjoy the just relaxing time, do nothing like you.
Wow, yes, do nothing. It's fun. That's right. I see, I see. But I think your version of do nothing is much more fun and relaxing than mine, because my do nothing is just laying in bed or just sitting and like no. Be weird and just think of things like that. Think of the problems I have. Ooh. All right. By the way, Yoshan, would you like to proceed with our lesson or continue with our free chat?
Okay. I noticed your tattoos. So it's real tattoo, and it's a common. So have a tattoo. So,
I love it.
really.
Actually, yeah, it's my favorite. I have it on my wrist. Ta-da!
Cut designs. So the cherry blossom.
Yeah, cherry blossoms and a heart, and they made a painting on the back. It's covering something. That's why it looks like this. Yes. On here, on my other side, it's my dog.
Dog.
Yes, it's a husky, my dog. Yeah. Right, so right now I have 3 dogs and 3 cats. Very, very cute pets. And my plan for today, actually, after our lesson, is we're gonna get them groomed, cleaned, and trim their hair.
Okay, you are so busy to take care of your dogs. So.
It really takes time because they are high maintenance, very fluffy dogs.
Okay, thank you.
Do you know Chow Chows?
Chow chow, okay, kind of the dogs. So.
Yes, they are Chow Chow. So they need more attention than, but they're very nice, very kind dogs. So it's easy to give them baths or cut their hairs.
Okay, I understand. Thank you very much.
Okay, glad to hear. So, Yashtan, are you ready for our lesson? Okay. So, have you opened the lesson text?
Okay, I prepared everything.
Okay, today's lesson is about stranded. So when we say stranded, it means that you are stuck in one place or you cannot go home.
Yeah.
So based on that thought, let's look at the picture and tell me, what can you see?
Okay, in this picture, I can see the scenery of the beach. There's a beach and sea and skies. On the beach, there's women and men. I think it's a kind of joke picture. So because I can see the just man's face, rest of his body buried into the sand. So but in front of his face, there is a clothes which men take off. So
Yes.
it's arranged and spreading. It's like his hand and feet into it. So it's funny pictures. So beside of the man's face, some women squat down. I can't see woman's face. She has bronze and wearing the no-sleeve clothes, and this situation might be the men and women scrapes a hole in the sand and arrange his clothes by the woman. But I think there's several stuff around them. So woman's shadow is stretched long to the beach. Time must be the dawn or dusk. So horizontal, near the horizontal sky is become little red, and there is no cloud in the sky. Very gentle weather, and she's wave a little, but not so big. That's all.
Wow, I've never heard someone describe a picture in full detail. That's amazing. Wow, Yosan. I admire your description skills.
Thank you.
Describing skills. I would, if you ask me, how will I describe the picture? I can see a man buried in the sand and a woman close to him. They are in the beach. That's it. But you describe everything. The background, the people, what they might be doing, their faces. Wow. I'm really amazed. Thank you so much for letting me hear your description.
Thank you. I told you that one of my hobbies is writing, so I have some custom with everything. See the detail.
Yes, it's like you can write everything you can
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
Wow. Bravo. Thank you so much for that. So now, Josh-san, let's try and read the dialogue.
Okay.
This is between Sam and Rico. I will be Sam and you will be Rico. Okay?
Okay, but there is another third person, officers. So
Oh,
and
let's say.
why don't we read in turn?
Okay, sure. No worries.
Okay,
Let's do that. I'll start.
okay.
Okay. Oh, it has been 3 days now, and we're still stuck in this place. I don't know.
Our food is about to be finished. So if there will be no rescue coming in 1 or 2 days more, we are going to catch some fish and other seafood here just to survive.
Halt! I can hear some noise from a boat. Oh no, there's a helicopter too. Somebody's coming. A rescuer is coming.
Finally,
Hello? Is anybody there?
yes, officer, yes, we are here. Help, help.
Thank you. We've been waiting for you guys.
Yes, we've been searching for you also. Now, if you are ready, please transfer to our police boat, and a helicopter will follow us. And before you board on the boat, please come forward. We need to check on you.
Can we do the checking once we reach the shore? We're getting dehydrated already. It's been 3 days since we got stranded on this remote island.
Just come forward, face the wall, and hands up.
What are these things for? Let's just go to the boat and go home.
I'm sorry, sir, but the boat you used is reported missing by its owner. Put forward your hands as we need to put on the handcar.
Oh no! We have been arrested! We haven't done anything wrong. Okay, very good. So this time, let us switch our roles. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it has been 3 days now. We are still stuck in this place. I don't know.
Our food is about to be finished. If there will be no rescuer coming in 1 or 2 days more, we're going to catch some fish and other seafood here just to survive.
Halt! I can hear some noise from a boat. Oh no, there's a helicopter too. Somebody is coming. A rescuer is coming.
Finally!
Hello, is anybody there?
Yes, officer, yes. We are here. Help! Help!
Thank you. We've been waiting for you, guys.
Yes, we've been searching for you also. Now, if you are ready, please transfer to our police boat and the helicopter will follow us. And before you board on that boat, please come forward. We need to check on you.
Can we do the checking once we reach the shore? We are getting dehydrated already. It's been 3 days since we got stranded on this remote island.
Just come forward, face the wall and hands up.
What are these things for? Let's just go to the boat and go home.
I am sorry, sir, but the boat you use is reported missing by its owner. Put forward your hands as we need to put on the handcuffs.
Oh no, we have been arrested. We haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, very good. So, Yosh-san, how was this story? Was it a big twist at the end?
Pardon?
This story, how was it?
I don't understand this situation. It's a very imaginary story. But the author is not have so much talent. It's a strange story.
Ooh, speaking from a professional level. Okay, so this story is actually, you're right, it's not very well done. However, they did try to put a little twist.
Yeah.
So at the end, not only are they trapped in a remote island, but it seems that they also, I'm not sure if they stole the boat that was missing from the owner, or they just got it by chance.
Okay. Do you know the continual stories? Next subject.
Mm-hmm.
Have you already read continual this story?
Oh, no.
Okay. maybe
Not yet. But
maybe the number 66. So continue. story.
number 66. Okay, sure.
Maybe.
All right. Number 66. Oh, okay. It is. It is a continuous story. Amazing.
Yes, some person arrested and into the jail. So
Yes, they're in jail. That's amazing. Yeah, I'll try reading that later.
Okay.
Alright, so your son, it's already time, but thank you so much for your time today. It has been fun getting to know you. I'll see you again next time.
See you again.
You
Bye
have,
bye. Thank
you have
you.
a wonderful day. Bye bye.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye bye.